a friendly bean. What can I have for you today?
May I have a large mocha frappe?
Thanks. I got a large mocha frappe. Anything else for you today?
Nope, that's it.
Hi.
Hello.
$5.
Is it pronounced frappe or frappe? Oh, can you add $1 to it for tips?
We pronounce frap. I think everywhere says it a little bit different. There you go.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice day.
Thank you. Frappe. They pronounce it frap, but I pronounce it frappe. I think either way is good. How about we just call it yummy? Downtown Liberty. I like downtown Liberty. It's nice. We're going to walk around it for our exercise today. I hope we don't ingest too much smoke. The wildfires out west have made it out to here. I've been smelling, it's like really nice smell actually of like campfire or fireplace. I'm like, man, people got their fireplaces going way early. And then realized, oh, it's the wildfires. But yeah. Downtown Liberty. Something to see. There's the corner where the Ethan Allen building was. It's a shame that fell apart, fell down, collapsed. They haven't done anything except put a wall up. It's the county seat of Clay County. And, you know, the first daylight robbery by Jesse James was this bank right here, old bank. It's the Jesse James Bank Museum. In this coffee shop that I used to go to, I say used to because they are no longer here. They have had to move out. I guess they had a dispute with their landlord. So now this corner here is sitting empty. It's a shame. But we've wound the clock. Actually, we've unwound the clock, I think. Winding the clock, I think it goes clockwise. Ha ha ha. So, maybe I ought to try Huey's for coffee sometime. So anyway, we'll park here, and actually we'll park in a shadier spot. And we'll walk around a bit. Some good practice with that thing. Hopefully a little more of that and I'll learn it. And now I gotta do my duty because I was badly neglecting the dogs. Right, dongs? I'm always amazed by the architecture in this town. little bit smaller and that can be a dollhouse. Certainly getting my exercise. I just realized this town could be called Svoboda, Missouri, and it'd practically mean the same thing. But I think people around here understand liberty better. Look at the millstones out here in front of the Jesse James Bank Museum. The bank is the scene of the first daylight holdup by Jesse James, a ex-partisan Confederate guerrilla. So I guess him and his family didn't know what else to do, probably couldn't find employment. Times were really rough back then. But I think they also used it as an excuse. Joseph Smith, who of the Mormon Church, was held in the ironically named Liberty Jail here, which back then was a Clay County jail. I think 1838, 1839. I love these facades. I don't know what's with the gate here, but it's front of the old Clay County Courthouse, which is a wonderful piece of architecture too. That's going to end this tour of an exploration. I got to go home and get my beauty rest because I need all of that I can get. Ha 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 ha. But we'll get one last look as we walk to the cab.